Hey there, quick note before we dive in. What you're watching right now is a lesson from one of my courses that I've decided to release completely for free here on YouTube so you don't have to pay a dime. So instead of asking you to buy my course, if you want to show your appreciation, here's a couple of things that you can do. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. These small actions tell YouTube to share my content with more people, which is a huge help. Also, feel free to check out my recommended equipment links in the description below. If you do purchase equipment from these links, I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you whatsoever. Or if you want to, you can leave me a super thanks or even just hit play on one of my playlists. I know it sounds silly, but if you just hit play on one of my playlists and let it play in the background, even if you're not paying attention, it tells YouTube, hey, people are watching these videos. I'm going to push it out to more people. So even if you just want to do that, I would love it. I would appreciate it so much. And then lastly, if you're looking for more personalized help, I do offer private coaching that you can find in the description of this video. Either way, I really appreciate you, whether you choose to do one of these things or not. Just by simply watching this video, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Now, let's get to the lesson. All right, so now that we've gone over, how to basically create your effect stack and apply it and all that good stuff, rather than going through and doing it either one at a time or even just going to your preset and choosing a preset, there's actually even a faster way to do it, which is pretty amazing. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. You can literally do all of this with a click of a button. It's pretty amazing. First things first, just have some audio. In Audition, it doesn't matter what audio you have. You could just do a mock audition or something, but you're just going to highlight the audio, and then you're going to go to favorites, and then go all the way down to start recording favorite. Now, this is just letting you know that everything you do from this point forward, Audition is going to be recording as your favorite. That's all this is saying. So now just click OK. And then now just go to your effect stack, which remember I labeled as A, just so it was easy to get to. Click Apply. And then now go to favorites and then normalize your audio to -3 dB. And that's it. That's our favorite. So now I go to favorites and then stop recording favorite. And now we're going to name it. So let's just say James favorite, just James F. Click OK. And then this already exists. Yes, I've already made this before. So click yes. And then now all you have to do is go to edit, keyboard shortcuts, and type that in. So I'm going to type in James F, and as you can see, it's right here. And then I'm going to create a shortcut for this. And it could be anything on your keyboard, but I'm just going to make it be E for effect stack. So I'm just going to click E, and it's letting me know there's already a shortcut for this, which I had already made this before. So I'm just going to click OK. And then now let me undo everything I've done and check this out. When you get done recording your audio, like you just got done recording an audition, right? Or something like that. All you have to do now is highlight this, and I'm just going to click the E key on my keyboard and check this out. It just did everything. It applied my effect stack, and it also normalized my audio. I'm ready to go. So this is just going to help you pump out auditions much faster, which in turn will hopefully make you have a higher ratio of booking. So that's a shortcut. And then while we're at it, let's just go ahead and I'll show you how to create a shortcut so that you can actually assign certain things. Like, for example, remember how we would highlight audio, right click, and then go down to silence, and it would silence the audio? Well, instead of having to go through all of those steps, let's just make the S key the silence function. So all we would have to do is go to edit, and then go to keyboard shortcuts, and then type in silence. And let's see, there it is right there, silence. Now look, I already have it assigned to the S key, but you would just click under shortcut, and then you would say S. You would just type in S there, and then click OK. And then now all I have to do is highlight and click S. See, it is so much faster doing it that way. So there are so many shortcuts that you can do this with in Audition. For example, I'm going to undo that really quick and show you. I've made the N key normalized. So if I click the N key, it would normalize my audio, but the audio is already normalized. So let me undo everything. Okay, so now if I click the N key, it normalizes the audio. So this is just going to help you be more efficient, way faster at pumping out auditions. And again, it's hopefully going to help you book more jobs to be efficient and fast. Anything you can do to improve your workflow, definitely try and make that happen. All right, see you in the next video.